In this video, I'll explain to you how to find the Porsche dealer in Palmetto Bay. We are going to be talking about choosing a Porsche dealer. There are a lot of Porsche dealer in Palmetto Bay, however, not all of them have what it takes. Some could specialize in something different like Audis or BMWs, or just deal in used Porsche cars, when you are looking for a cheaper alternative. So let me assist you in finding the Porsche dealer in Palmetto Bay to ensure that we can get started on acquiring your dream car, within seconds. 1. Look for Porsche dealers, in your area, then search for dealerships which have lots of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealer in Palmetto Bay from individuals who have bought a car there before. 3. Check out reviews of the Porsche dealer in Palmetto Bay on Yelp or Google. 4. Check out Porsche dealerships' inventory, to see what they offer and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Call up the dealer and ask them about their policies, financing options, warranty protection. The Porsche dealer must be a person who knows what he or she is speaking about and can satisfy your questions without making you feel intimidated. 6. What is your budget? The greater amount of money you would spend on a car like, the better quality of car you'll be able to find, but if cost is an issue for you, do not delay, ask around. Click the link in the description to talk to a Porsche dealer in Palmetto Bay. Thanks a lot for watching this video.